A person with data is the king. Do you agree with that? Well, I don't, because that is now how it works today. Because now a person with valid data is the king. Just imagine 50% of the phone number data that you're having is either invalid or out of service. Then what? Or even worse, you're not taking the right advantage of your data by doing things like sending SMS on landlines, using the wrong language to contact your customer, or reaching them out at a wrong time. Just imagine I'm your customer and you're reaching me out when it's my sleeping time, that too in a wrong language, say in Italian or Spanish, when the language I know is English. That's really bad. Really bad use of resources. So that's why I'm here. I'm Bharti and I'm here to introduce you to ClearoutPhone, a global phone validator covering 240 plus countries that not only tells you whether the phone number is valid or not, but in addition, it tells you the carrier, the line type, and location also. By having such information, you will not be committing the mistakes mentioned above. ClearoutPhone is from the same company which created ClearOut Email Verification, a company you must be knowing. So let me give you a quick demo of how you can validate your phone number data in a flash and take the right advantage of the right tools. So firstly, come on our website, which is www.clearoutphone.io. On the top right, you can see create free account. Once you click on that, you have to enter the email address. Once done, you'll be given an activation link on the email address, after which you can enter the email address, the password, and then log in to the ClearoutPhone account. So this is how the dashboard of the account looks like. You can see a performance summary of whatever you have done till date. On the left hand side, you can see all the options of the menu bar. So let me start off of giving a quick demo of how you can validate your phone numbers. So after overview, you can see an option of quick validation. The name itself suggests when you quickly want to validate the phone numbers, you can just enter the phone number and click on validate. You can see in a fraction of seconds, I'm having the status of the phone number. It's valid, it's a mobile, the carrier, the location, the country name, and a whole lot of information. So the quick validation is quite easy. The second option I'm having is my list, which is usually comes into use when I want to validate a bulk of list at once. So I'll simply add a list in CSV or Excel format. I can either upload it or import my list from my HubSpot account. In this video, I'll just be showing how you can upload a list and go ahead with the validation. You can have a look in the next video of how to deal with the HubSpot integration. So I'll browse my file that I want to validate. Once uploaded, I'll be able to see that it has been successfully uploaded. Then go to my list. If any day by chance you upload a wrong list, you can easily delete it. Here's the button to delete, but make sure you do it before clicking on the validation button. I'll click on validate. Now I have to select a default country, because if my list, the phone numbers mentioned in the list are not having a default country code, if we do not have a country code mentioned in front of the phone numbers, we need to give a default country code for the proper validation. So I'll choose India itself and click on validate. Within a few seconds, I'll be having my result in front of me. See. So out of the total 16, 6 of them are valid, 7 are invalid, and 3 of them are duplicate, and I will be charged only for the ones that are not duplicate. In short, I will not be charged for the duplicate phone numbers. So out of 16, only 13 will be chargeable. I can now simply download the result. In downloading the result also, we have multiple options. I just want to download the valid phone numbers or just the invalid ones, or I want to download the result with the standard columns of ClearoutPhone or customize my result. I'll go ahead with ClearoutPhone standard columns. You can choose any one of them. So now my result has been downloaded. Let's have a look, right? So the standard columns show the phone number, the status, whether it's a mobile or a fixed line. So I'll simply see that I don't send SMS to this number. That will be a wastage of my resources, money and time, right? Right now I've chosen a very short list. You can go ahead by choosing a more bulky list. I have the location also. So in short, there are a whole lot of columns which you can choose according to what is important for you and what is not. So I've gone ahead with quick validation, how you can upload a list. And if you want to validate the phone numbers in real time, you can go ahead with API integration. If you want details about it, you can reach out to us on our email or reach out to us in the comment section of this video or reach out through our website also. Billing shows us of the credits that we have used. If I have purchased some credits, that will be shown here. Profile, as you know, will be showing the name by which I'm having the account, the password, what kind of notifications I want to turn on and off. It will be shown here. If I'm having any coupon code, a discount code, then I can simply paste it here and redeem it. On the top, I can see buy credits. If I want to buy a certain number of credits, I can simply enter the number of credits I want. I'll be shown the price for it. Then I can click and go ahead with making the payment. Integrations, as I told, HubSpot lists can be imported and exported, in which about which I'll be talking in my next video. And also you can connect your Zapier account and create a Zap between ClearoutPhone and any other app that you use and automate the procedure of phone number validation. So this was quite easy, right? You'll be saved from many problems and many wastage of resources will be halted. So make sure that you don't have just a bulk of data, but a bulk of valid data so that you can go ahead with the growth of your business instead of just putting your hard work going nowhere. So guys, in this video, I've shown you a quick demo. If you have any queries, any questions, we'll be more than happy to help you out. You can reach out to us in the comment section through our website or the email address mentioned in the description. So as of now, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.